Yeah, hi. Today we will cover Java 17 interview questions and answer. What are the main features introduced in Java 17? 1. Sealed classes, pattern matching for instance of switch expressions, records, text blocks, enhancement, random number generators, strong encapsulation of JDK internals. What are the sealed classes in Java 17? Restricted which class may extend then example public sealed class vehicle permits class car truck. How does pattern matching for instance of improve methods? Eliminates needs for casting. For example, if object instance of string s system.out.println s dot to lower case. What are records in Java 17? Compact syntax for immutable data. Public record person string name and int age. What is text block in Java? Multi-line string literal using triple quotes. For example, string JSON is equal to your triple quote and then name John and triple quote close. What are the benefits of using records over POJOs? Less boilerplate, implicit equals hash code to string, ideal for data modeling. What are the limitations of records? Cannot extend other classes, fields are final, classes implicitly final. Explain strong encapsulation of JDK internals. JEP 403. Internal APIs like sun.misc unsafe are no longer accessible by default. Switch statements with switch expressions. Switch expressions return a value. String result is equal to switch day and case Monday start. What's new in JVM changes in Java 17? Deprecated features removed, improved memory tracking, modern GC support. What is JEP 356 about? Enhanced random number generators, new interfaces like random generator, better algorithm choices. What are the challenges in migrating to Java 17? Strong encapsulation, deprecated API removals, framework compatibility. Why is Java a popular upgrade? Why is Java 17 a popular upgrade target? It's an LTS release with long-term support and stable features. Thank you. If you like this presentation, please like, share and subscribe. Ring the bell to get notified of new content. Thank you.